Aquarius, kamusta? Welcome back to Pinay Angel Tarot. This is your December kapalaran para sa mga Aquarius. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. General love reading, kaya maaaring nag-resonate o hindi. Pero pag nag-resonate, comment nyo para alam ko. So, tingnan natin anong energies ang connected sa'yo ngayon sa love life mo. Actually, baka may message din sa career mo. Tingnan natin, guys. Okay. So, start tayo with angel numbers. Angel numbers para sa mga Aquarius. Okay, tumalon siya. So, we have 444, protection. This is your time to take confidence in all that you pursue. The divine universe is working through you and protecting you. Time has come to allow all the doors of opportunity to welcome you with open doors. Napakadaming opportunity para sa'yo at kailangan maging confident ka sa lahat ng mga pinapangarap mo kasi talagang makukuha mo yan. Affirmation, I feel the loving care of the divine protecting me. I allow myself to pursue growth and opportunity. Comment nyo dyan, guys. Claim growth and opportunity. Also, claim protection. Ayan, comment nyo dyan. Ayan, congrats. May growth sa'yo at may opportunity. One more. Oh, wow! 888! Oh my gosh! Blessings are here and abundance nga pala to. So, blessings are here and more are on the way. Let yourself feel the abundant flow of prosperity that is all around you. As you stand in your highest self, you attract all that you once were seeking. Giving is always the doorway to success. Affirmation, the more good I do in the world, the more abundant my life grows. I radiate an energy of loving kindness. Oh my gosh. Comment, claim loving kindness. Dahil sa pagiging matulungin mo, kaya ka din nag-enjoy ng maraming blessings galing kay universe. Prosperity, abundance. Na-attract mo itong mga blessings na to. Comment, claim abundance, guys. Grabe, ang ganda nito. 888. Okay. One more for Aquarius. Ano pa angel numbers for Aquarius? 777 alignment. Your progress is recognized and alignment is here. It is within your reach. The whisper is reminding you to stay the course and feel source working through you. Your gifts are being recognized. Affirmation, I blossom and bloom as I use my gifts. All things simply align as I feel the feeling of the divine. Oh my gosh. You have alignment at focus ka lang daw. Kasi na-recognize na yung gift mo. And nagbo-bloom ka ngayon. Grabe, ang ganda naman. Ganda na ang angel numbers mo. So, ayan, for the career, sobrang blessed na mga Aquarius. Kaya claim nyo na yan. Claim nyo na yung abundance na yan. So, sa love life naman tayo. Okay. We have relax. Find joy in the simple pleasures of just being together. Okay, parang may date ka ata at chill na chill ka dito. Proposal. An offer or proposal in the near future that comes as a surprise. Passion. Keep the flame of passion alive is the heartbeat of love. I love this. So, yeah, this person is attracted sa'yo. Sparks. Keep the sparks flying. Surprise each other with gestures of love. And sa bottom of the deck, destiny. The reunion with your twin flame is a destined event. Okay. So nice. So, tingnan natin yung nasa tarot. Sa bottom of the deck, overall energy is Page of Swords. There is curiosity, excitement, naghahanap ka ng mga impormasyon or pinag-aaralan mo itong connection na to. And I just saw 444 sa timer ko. Ayan. And, may mga bagay na pilit mong unawain. Mukhang merong nag-uusap-usap dito. Okay. So, we have here, maraming tao Maraming tao sa paligid mo ngayon, nag-uusap. Three of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, Queen of Swords, Page of Cups, and the Five of Cups. May partnership, parang hindi kayo okay ngayon. May standards ka and ready ka naman makipag-usap, pero medyo emotional ka ngayon. Okay? Kung ano man tong misunderstanding ninyo ng person mo, pwede pa naman pag-usapan to. Yung nga lang, you are setting boundaries, kaya nahihirapan yung person mo sa'yo. Kasi masyado kang strict. The reason kung bakit ka nagkakaganyan is ayaw mong masaktan, you want to protect yourself. 555, nakita ko ngayon yung angel numbers 555. Okay. And then, yung person na ka-deal mo, the Empress, the Fool. Ayan, sensya na guys sa ingay. Parang may tension dito, no? Pero, mahal ka ng taong to sabi dito, matagal ka na niyang mahal. Or baka ikaw to, matagal mo na siyang mahal. Or pareho kayo, nagmamahalan kayo. Pero, yung isa dito, yung mas ma-effort. Yung isa, medyo kalmado. Parang chill lang Ikaw, sobra kang maalaga. The Moon. Okay. Parang nagsiself-pity ka dito. Nag-iisip ka kung totoo ba itong pagmamahal ng taong to. At mas gusto mo mapag-isa. Parang mas gusto mong bumawi sa sarili mo. Okay, I can see you are in your power. Especially sa abundance mo. Actually, lahat naman na-attract mo ngayon. Love, finances, although things may not be as perfect in the real world. Okay, pero napakadaming blessings ang na-attract mo. Tingnan natin. Ano to? Misunderstanding ninyo. Yung sa inyo guys, merong third party or sa past na yung third party pero pinagsisalosan pa rin. Growth, Nine of Pentacles. So, may distance sa inyo Sabihin na natin na committed kayo sa taong yan, pero very independent yung nakikita ko dito sa energy mo. Parang sinasabi mo dito, hindi mo siya kailangan kasi focus ka sa sarili mong growth. The Chariot. Binabalansin mo yung dark side and light side mo kasi you want to achieve kung ano yung mga goals mo. Death. Okay, may nagbago sa'yo. And mabilis itong pagbabagong to. Ending, transformation, merong separation. Ayan, merong naghiwalay talaga dito. Pero this is for the better. Medyo chaotic ngayon yung nangyayari sa paligid. Pero you have to calm down. Kasi may mga changes na nangyayari. Kaya mo nararamdaman tong parang chaotic, turbulent na sitwasyon. Ayan, the sun is rising in the background. So you have to let things go. Kung tapos na, hayaan mo na yon. Okay? And, okay. Merong ending Knight of Swords, the Tower. Okay, malaking pagbabago, mabilis. So, tumalikod ka. Okay. Eight of Cups, the Lovers, and the Strength card. Actually, mahal nyo isa't isa pero nahirapan kayo paano connect sa isa't isa. Page of Pentacles. Gusto mong mag-sorry sa kanya, pero ayaw mo kasing baliwalain yung kung ano man tong pagkakamaling nagawa sa'yo ng taong to. You want na seryosohin. Nakita ko dito, hindi equal yung give and take sa inyo Kaya kayo nagkakaroon ng disagreements. Kasi yung isa dito ay matagal nang nagtitiis. Samantalang yung isa chill lang. Okay. Parang power dynamics. Problem sa power dynamics. Okay, you are frustrated. Nine of Wands, Queen of Cups. Gusto mo lang naman maging masaya. Pero nagkakagulo-gulo. May mga ibang taong involved. So, possible yan mga family ng person mo, family mo na nagka-clash. Okay, may mga sinasabing hindi maganda tungkol sa'yo. Kaya ikaw, feeling mo, pagod ka na, gusto mo ipahinga yung sarili mo. nagiging emotional ka ngayon. And meron talaga mga pag-uusap dito na nasasaktan ka. Okay? So, you have to nurture yourself. Ang nakita ko kasi, tapos na eh. Andito yung death card. Tapos na yung mga arguments. And it's time to nurture yourself. And focus sa work mo, 8 of Pentacles. Be practical. Okay? Yun ang sinasabi dito. Alam mo, marami pang blessings na ibibigay sa universe sa'yo. So, kalma-kalma ka lang. Okay, andito pa rin yung commitment, oh. Yung nga lang, merong person dito na tahimik. The High Priestess, 4 of Wands, 2 of Cups. Ayun, committed naman pala sa'yo eh. The Hierophant, Knight of Cups. Oh my goodness. Merong toxic behavior. Okay, the Devil, the 10 of Cups, 7 of Swords. Okay, ang nakita ko dito, pamilya eh. Kapamilya mo siya, o baka kinasal na kayo, kaya pamilya. And behind your back, meron panlolokong ginagawa tong taong to, kaya wala nang tiwala sa isa't isa. Para kang siniraan in your face. Okay, yan yung mga nangyari dito. This is someone na kailangan mong alisin sa sistema mo, Aquarius. Ayun, oh. 10 of Swords, backstab. Okay, and I just saw 1, 2, 3 angel numbers. 11, 23 actually. Nagsustok sa'yo sa kapirahan mo. Mukhang sinisismis ka pa nitong taong to. Okay. Emperor in reverse. Hindi maganda intention nito. Naiinggit. Ayun yung nakikita ko dito. So, ano bang nangyayari? Ba't ganyan yung ginagawa ng taong yan? Mag-clarify tayo. Okay, ito. Ito yung gagamitin ko. So, okay. Only you, devoted, attached, crave. Okay, so ito yung taong nagmamahal sa'yo. Maliban pa dun sa nag-backstab sa'yo. This is someone na healing, releasing, purifying, cleansing, divine feminine, yin feminine energy. Okay, this is your divine counterpart. Nag-heal ngayon yung relationship nyo. So these are good energies. You are very attractive, hindi ka niya ma-resist. Okay, so kung meron pang pagsiselos dito, it's very clear na ikaw lang yung mahal niya. I feel like yung yung pag-connect mo sa divine, yan din yung nag-a-attract sa person mo. The more na nagpe-pray ka at kinikleanse mo yung sarili mo. 13 angel numbers. Ayan. The more na nagpe-pray ka, the more mo siya na-a-attract. Oh my gosh, divine masculine. Sa bottom of the deck, sabi sa'yo eh. Ayan, feminine tsaka masculine andito. So these are divine counterparts. Ibig sabihin, this is a power couple. You can achieve what you want, possibilities, free-spirited adventure, risk. Okay? I can sense abundance dito sa partnership na to. Okay. Nagmamahalan kayo. Wala na akong masabi. Time, waiting, cycles, moments. Ayan, merong isa dito nagmamadali. Realizations, epiphanies, understandings, awakenings. Ayan, meron talagang mga changes sa inyong dalawa. And the change is for the better. Okay. Influences, attachments, third-party spheres. Yun lang yung nagpapastress, yung mga tao sa paligid. Depth, awareness, importance, value. Kasi siniseryoso mo eh kung ano yung mga narinig mo, mga chismis-chismis. Elusive, dishonesty, deception, trickery. Okay, may trust issue. Obscurity, secrets, mysteries, concealing, commitment, marriage, promises, fidelity. So, ayan, kailangan yung pag-usapan yan. Kasi, nagmamahala naman kayo eh. So, kulang lang sa communication, guys. Pero gusto kong i-clarify yung yung other energy na lumabas dito na naiinggit. Okay. Clarity, truth, intentions, honesty. Perspective, better off, happiness, clear headspace. So, meron kang matutuklasan about the other person na yon. And, yeah, kailangan mong meron kang bagong perspective sa situation and kailangan mong i-let go yung taong yon. Yung other person not yung person mo. Releasing, ayan letting go, moving on, walking away. Okay, let go of unhealthy people na nakaka-affect sa energy mo. Ano pa mga love energies ang connected sa'yo ngayon? Freedom. There's nothing stopping you. The path is clear if you want it to be. One more. You may not always understand why certain things happen. However, there's always a higher purpose to the events in your life. Through turmoil, a blessing will soon be revealed. Ito nga yung sinasabi ko na kahit chaotic, pero may mga changes. And ito ay confirmation. May higher purpose kung bakit nangyayari ang mga nangyayari. Kasi binabago yung cycles mo. Kung ano yung nakasanayan, nagkakaroon ng changes for the better. At soon, papasok itong mga blessings na to. Okay, anong gustong sabihin ng person mo? Anong gustong sabihin ng person mo sa'yo ngayon? We've been together for lifetimes. Ayan, soulmate mo to. Si Divine Masculine. You are the light at the end of my tunnel. Ikaw yung nagdadala ng positivity sa connection na to. I dream about a future with you. Ayan, happiness ka niya, pangarap ka niya. Mukhang kontento na siya ngayon na parte ka ng buhay niya. I want to fall asleep next to you. Time will tell. Okay. So, meron pa kayong hinihintay na meron pa mga bagay na hindi pa na napag-usapan or unclear pa sa inyong dalawa ng taong to. Okay. So, anong advice? Kuha muna tayo ng money energies. Money energies. Okay. Sa person mo. At sa'yo. And then, advice. Dumaan yung balot. Advice. Okay. Unahin natin yung sa person mo at sa'yo. Ano pang mga paparating dito kay Aquarius? Gold digger. Oh my gosh. Do you want your money being used? Ayan, yung iba sa inyo guys ay masyado kasing matulungin kaya naaabuso. Ayan, sa finances. So, ingatan mo yung kaperahan mo. They'll be back. Expect to hear from them soon. Parang may letter, may gustong sabihin sa'yo. Someone else, someone is in the middle, someone is trying to sabotage this. Not necessarily na may kabit. Kasi itong someone else, pwede kasi itong pamilya. This can be anyone, okay? Na nakaka-apekto sa relationship nyo. Take it how it resonates. Yes! Luck is on your side! Ayan, sabi sa'yo good vibes ngayon si Aquarius. Pets, getting a new pet, giving a current pet more love. Ayan, mahilig kayo sa pet o yung iba sa inyo ay masayahin yung energy. Ayan, kagaya ng pet na parang cute. Cuddly. Cuddly. So, money energies. Tingnan natin. Ito yung sa person mo. Transformation. Change is the natural order of things. Don't be afraid of the unknown. Okay. Pwede tong sa love life nyo. Pwede din tong sa career nyo. Yung transformation. Opportunity. New job opportunities. Change of workplace or business trip. Change is coming just in time. Okay. Mukhang may bagong trabaho or bagong opportunity na nagbubukas. Oh my gosh. Shedding. Reducing losses, elimination, and completing a new metamorphosis. Time to set higher goals. Yung iba sa inyo guys, merong toxic na pinagdadaanan yung person mo. Ayan. Okay. Advice para sa person mo. Positivity. Ayun naman pala eh. If you can find even one thing to be grateful for, it will restore you to the light. Please, dear God, let me always feel gratitude for something, even a tiny thing, in even the hardest situations. Kahit anong mangyari, maging positive pa rin at palaging magpasalamat sa blessings. Kasi pag nagpapasalamat ka at positive ka, lalong ding lumiliwanag ang mundo. Ibig sabihin, lalong gumaganda yung aura mo o yung energy mo. Ayan. Pero actually, para sa person mo to. Okay. So, tingnan natin yung para sa'yo. Money energies. Limitations, fear and doubt, limit freedom of action, let go of your worries. Okay, so wag daw masyadong strict kasi nagiging limitation yan eh kapag may, alam mo yon, may sarili kang sistema na nagkukostuloy ng fear. Ibig sabihin marami pang possibilities, basta alisin mo yung pag-aalala. Okay? We have helping hand, need others to assist with services, increase productivity, no one can handle it all. Mukhang marami kayo nagtutulong-tulong. Business yung nakikita ko dito. Kailangan mo ng tulong. Wait lang guys, sorry. Kailangan mo ng tulong or meron ng tumutulong dito. Helping hand. Loyalty, true friendship and loyalty are among the most important values. Be loyal to your friends. Grabe, oh, sobrang loyal ni Aquarius. So, yung sa iba guys, kailangan yung bawasan yung pagiging loyal para hindi ka abusuhin. Okay, yan yung naririnig ko eh, na wag sobrang loyal. It's good kasi maraming tumutulong at sumusuporta sa'yo, pero you have to set boundaries. Actually, alam mo na yun. 22, 33 angel numbers. Oh my gosh. Ayan, 2233. And the advice is, oh my gosh, loneliness. When you stop fearing your aloneness, you stop settling for less than you deserve. May I embrace and love my solitude. And that's when kindred spirits can finally come. So this is actually a positive message na huwag ka daw matakot mag-isa. Kasi mas makukuha mo kung ano yung deserve mo kapag hindi ka natatakot na mag-isa. You will not settle for less. I-embrace mo yung solitude mo kasi blessing yan. Pag nagawa mo yon, magugulat ka na lang na pumapasok na yung mga tamang tao para sa'yo. I love this. Tsaka ang ganda ng imagery. Parang ang cool, parang ang gaan sa mata. You are very pure, Aquarius. Kaya naman, talagang naa-attract mo din yung mga tamang tao. So nice. Ayan. 23-32. Mukhang mirroring kayo ng person mo. Okay, guys. That's all for your December kapalaran, Aquarius. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment kung nag-resonate ba or kung nagustuhan nyo ba. 2, 3, 4, 5 angel numbers. Grabe ah. Sunod-sunod yung angel numbers sa reading ng Aquarius. And kung kailangan mo ng gabay, pwede kang mag-book ng private reading. Nasa description box po lahat ng details. Tingnan nyo na lang po dyan. Message kayo sa Viber or sa WhatsApp para mas mabilis yung transaction. And check out my Instagram. If you want to start your crystals journey, may mga crystal bracelets. Marami at iba-iba. Tutulong sa manifestation mo. So, merong pang-attract ng love, money, wealth, prosperity, abundance. Ayan, tignan nyo na lang po doon at i-message nyo na lang ako. Also, i-follow nyo din ako sa Instagram kasi kailangan ko yung support nyo. Thank you, Aquarius! Have a good day. God bless you all. Stay safe. I'll see you again soon. I love you guys. Bye!